So, Miss Raka, what's up with you?
Yeah, I'm in the office. Yeah.
I won't be 2 minutes. Promise. Promise. Just wait here.
Wow, Indira has a toy boy.
No, यार. I don't think so. कोई दोस्त होगा.
इतना हॉट और कूल दोस्त. Really? तूने देखा नहीं क्या हो रहा था उन लोग के बीच में? I mean, they are more than friends.
Oliver. Yeah, soon.
That's your Bengali mind.
Shut up.
Okay, so all yours. Thank you.
कितना obvious है तेरे चेहरे पे. La 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 la.
Confession, it's complicated.
Hey, Nupur. This is such a nice picture, man. You should enter yourself for IFL on Myntra.
Thank you, but no.
Why?
Why don't you try? मुंबई से.
मुंबई से क्यों? साड़ी दिल्ली से करेंगे?
अच्छा.
या तू भी भेज देना मुंबई से.
और जीती नहीं तो?
जीते नहीं तो क्या हुआ? मिंत्रा करेंसी तो मिल जाएगी.
हाँ.
या
Nice यार.
What are you doing? I was researching that vacation travel story.
Oh, good. Nupur, can you quickly book a cab for Arjun? He needs to be picked up from... Hold on, what did he say? Oh, I'll come back in a second.
Okay.
Yeah, write the cab service name.
Okay, so you need to pick Arjun up from here. Get him picked. Actually, you know what? You go with him. Give this to him and ask him to give this to Kabir Kapoor. He's a very important client.
What is this about, Indira? Maybe I can help.
Well, Kabir Kapoor wants us to do a think piece on him and about how he has reinvented himself in Bollywood over the years. Well, it's a very small but very important window. Hold on, where's Raka?
She's sorting out some stuff for a new apartment.
What? Listen, everything else is secondary. I need some good pictures. Ask her to come over now.
Indira, I'm a Bollywood expert. Maybe I can help. You know, I can do the job better.
Listen, just mind your own business and do what you're told to. And what are you waiting for? Arjun is waiting there. I asked you to hurry up. Come on.
I'm sorry.
Goodness.
Driving your boss around? And that to someone you have crush on? I have no idea how I'm going to deal with this situation. Hi.
Hi. Sorry.
Music?
Sure, absolutely. Thank you so much for picking me up. I was gonna catch a cab, but
As in you didn't like my car.
no, I love the car. Well, I just spoke to Indira, and I was telling her that my driver's MIA. So she told me that you're coming to pick me up. So I was like, okay. Indira has an amazing way of putting two and two together, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Love the outfit, by the way.
Really? Thank you. It's from one of those Myntra midnight sales. Actually, अभी तक यहाँ पर shopping figure out नहीं कर पाई.
You're very sweet when you speak Hindi. You should speak to me in Hindi more often. Maybe my Hindi will improve.
Sure.
Actually, उस दिन तुम कुछ पूछ रही थी.
Actually, I just wanted to ask, okay, what's with Voodoo 0200? I mean,
The office Wi-Fi password.
yeah. Jennifer told me about it. And she also said कि काफी time से है ये password and nobody in the office knows what exactly it means.
And you think, if you ask, I'll tell you.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. मैंने बस ऐसे ही पूछ लिया.
बस ऐसे ही पूछती.
हाँ, I mean, ऑफिस का पासवर्ड है, कोई ना कोई तो कभी ना कभी पूछ ही लेता.
लेकिन आज तक किसी ने पूछा ही नहीं.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Voodoo is a bar.
Oh,
It's where Indra and I met for the first time.
I mean, that's great. So when did you guys get married?
And that piece of information is important to you because
I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. I mean, I know I'm offending you with a lot of questions, but I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
It's fine. I'm not married.
Exactly. I mean, I know it, but I wasn't sure about it.
Sometimes, well, you don't just want one person to understand. You want other people to care for you.
A lot of people care for you.
But the question is, do you? Why have we stopped?
Raka.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, Ghosh. All good?
Yeah. I just hope I have enough of battery. I mean, I charged it while Bobby took his own sweet time with the contract.
Bobby?
Bobby's our landlord. And you don't know, I mean, the Bobby from Bobby and Jay, the musical duo.
Okay, you do know that Jay is...
Jay was that guy on the pavement. He had a nosebleed. And Nupur and I happened to help him.
That's great. So, Bobby's your landlord.
You know, sir, Idris, he's our broker. He happens to tell us...
इस फ्लैट का जो ओनर है वो इसी बिल्डिंग के ऊपर वाले माले पे रहता है. वो बाहर गया हुआ है, शहर से बाहर है. एक काम करते हैं, आप लोग का एक फोटो ले लेते हैं. कुछ पंगा है. फोटो रिजेक्ट.
What the hell, dude? But then as soon as that guy left, I smartly went to Bobby's apartment. And I wanted to figure it out for myself.
एक मिनट. इदरिस ने क्या बोला था?
इसी बिल्डिंग के ऊपर वाले माले पे रहता है.
इसी बिल्डिंग के ऊपर वाले माले पे रहते हैं.
Come with me. Well, that's not exactly how that went. For that, you have to come back to the next episode.
Confession. It's complicated.
How old were you when you saw my first underwear ad?
Maybe 5 or 6.
Exactly. How ironic is that? While you were running around in your chuddies, so was I.
KK, there's been a bit of a situation. Should I call your lawyer?
So, boys and girls, it seems like we are in a bit of a pickle.
Primary cast exclusively styled by Myntra.